Easter evening in Washington. The weather was warm, it was nice. All of a sudden, lightning bolts began to fall around the White House because a storm had rapidly materialized. And according to this blog spot, it swept from the National Mall toward the White House. Instantly, there seemed to be lightning bolts dropping out of the heavens all around 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, and the wind kicked up dramatically. Do you think somebody's trying to send a message? Easter storm over the White House. The sky got pretty ugly looking. Do you think one of the factions was sending a message? Or do you think this was just a coincidence and it just happened? This should be called the House of Abominations, because that's exactly what it is. This says a spectacular downpour started as the lightning built with no preliminary drops. One moment it was dry, and the next there was a gushing, blowing, massive water dump. Sounds like a manufactured storm to me. Seems like it formed and then it headed right for the White House with massive lightning displays. Sounds like somebody's very angry and upset.